the winner of the I Love My Windows Sweepstakes.
What? Oh my God.
That's awesome. Thank you.
I was actually on Facebook, and we were looking at getting the new windows, and I fill out the form, and I've seen there's a sweepstakes, and I'm like, why not? You know, and it's worth it.
He fills out everything.
Never,
and we never win anything. And this time we actually won. You guys came and we like signed. We were like, oh my God, this is like actually happening. We were looking around, we had no idea anything about cost, pricing, what kind, anything like that. Our electric and gas bill is so high because of our windows. And especially in the summer, the electricity, because it's so hot, you can't even touch the front door, it gets that hot. So when he did the blowtorch, and it was like 400 on one side, and then it was 72 on the other side, I was like, this is gonna just save so much money.
We can open these ones and clean them, and yeah.
Yeah, because we have to pay window cleaners always because the house is so big, and so now I can actually like tilt them in and like clean them, and they'll go back, which is exciting. We would definitely recommend Universal Windows. They had great experience. They came to the house. They treated us like we were just anybody else, like a friend, easy to work with.
I love my windows.